Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing the music and setting the project length so you don't cut beats later. First, add the audio track via media or record directly. Once added, enable Show Waveform to see beats and silence. Trim rough edges now rather than later so timing stays consistent. Make sure your project frame and sample rate match your source to avoid drift. If you have multiple clips, label or color them so you can spot the primary music track quickly and keep editing focused. You now refine timing and shape the sound. Split it beats and add markers to anchor loops or transitions. Once done, use precise trimming to remove silence. Adjust volume clips and add fade-ins or fade-outs so transitions feel natural, and use ducking when voiceover appears. Apply EQ to remove muddiness and add reverb sparingly for space. Change tempo only if necessary. Make small increments to maintain pitch or enable pitch correction. Preview in loop mode to confirm edits. Stay consistent across playback. You finish by exporting with the right settings. Choose a high bitrate and 1K HZ or 48K HZ sample rate to preserve quality, then export video or audio only as needed. After export, check sync and levels on another device to catch platform-specific issues. If audio glitches or drops, re-import the original file and recreate edits on a fresh track rather than continuing on a corrupted clip. This solves a majority of issues. Finally, save a backup project file so you can revert quickly if needed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.